vlog. This is Ree, and we are going to the beach right now. We just stopped by at Central and we got a couple snacks and we got our drinks. I got my matcha and she got a coffee. And we have Secret Santa tonight, so I bought my present. What the?
Motorcycles aren't allowed in here. Bring it home.
I got my Secret Santa. I bought some wrapping paper with Mudang on it. Yeah, we're going to the beach and it's a very nice sunny day, so we're hoping to get a nice tan, get nice and brown for later for our little house party or big house party, who knows. Oh,
Shit, that works.
oh, that was right. That's right. We are at the beach. We here.
It only took us an hour.
Yeah, literally. Okay, got my Stanley, my mineral water, and my matcha, and my phone, and my yeah.
Oh my god, it's cold.
Oh my god.
We could buy flamingo.
I have some fish and rice from Central, and she got some sushi. We just got to the beach and we be chilling. This is what I got.
Just a little bit of this, a little bit of that.
Risa! Anyway, this is what I got.
Thoughts kicking.
And I'm using her chopsticks because they didn't give me a spoon.
You didn't ask for a spoon.
That's correct, I didn't ask for a spoon.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need.
Beach day done. One day we should come for like 3 and then stay until sunset.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. We are leaving the beach. We had a nice successful day of tanning and taking pics. It's gonna take like an hour to get back probably. Yeah, have a shower, have a nap, get ready to go. I need to wrap my present tonight. And we got Secret Santa later.
Secret Santa as a community this year, so firstly I'm actually very happy to make this happen, you know, because a lot of people doubted us, but we made it. We made it. No, we're gonna go in anti-clockwise, starting from me, and I'm just gonna pick out a present. I'm gonna read the name, who it is. I'm gonna pass it to that person. Once that's happened, Chris will go next, and you know how anti-clockwise works. The opposite way that the clock works, basically.
Thank you all for being here. It's really nice to see all your beautiful faces, and it's fucking cool. And let's do this every year.
Alright, let's start with this one. Ah, Izzy.
Izzy!
Straight to the big guns. Jennifer. Oh. Nice ball. I like the tackle. Keep the tape on.
Come on!
That'd be so good.
Yeah.
Here, unwrap that shit. Take you a while. Mate, it's. Straight to the bathroom.
Yeah, I will.
Oh,
We got Joker.
oh man, this is
So savage with the opening.
I need the pink one.
This is my own shirt. Look who it is. Oh my god. Who is that? Didi. Whoa!
That's offensive.
Hey, that's a sign, bro. That's a sign, man.
That's offensive.
Good to see you, bro.
Yeah, who is that? Bro, that's the breast thing on it.
just to let you know.
Yeah, just under the budget.
Is this a present?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Who is it? Thank you so much. Louis Vuitton! Oh! That thing's so Oh yeah. Thank you.
Jonah, before opening,
Come on, Sean.
Oh wait, what's the fuck there? Come on.
Thank you. That's amazing.
What? More?
Two gifts.
Hey, that's on you for not putting your name in twice, mate.
Wait.
Don't about the game, bro. Come on. Secret Santa's one time a year, bro. Come on.
That's so funny.
Oh, yes! Oh, man, I smashed it. No way.
I'm taking the bit. Who we got?
A vendor.
A vendor. Please, Spidey. It's Spidey.
Oh, sweet, that's mine. Whoever got that, oh, that's a great one. Thank you. Check this out.
No way, Angus!
Oh
We have the best man fish one.
That's what I'm saying.
teaching capitalism, bro.
tricks?
You can train him, bro.
No, we're going pet
Wait,
for secret
you
soccer,
can
bro.
put Sandy in there.
All the way.
Oh, Sandy, bro.
I haven't gotten mine.
Leon's turn.
Just in the
No, it's wrapping paper. How do you know it's from me?
I was just asking you. So it's from you.
Brilliant. Well done, Shakira.
Why did you respond like that, bro?
Just the one shoe.
No way.
Good, he's coming straight on. He's going straight on. First one? Yeah.
No. That's definitely from a boy.
Oh my god.
He's like glow sticks, bro. It's not chicken. It's not chicken. Oh yeah.
Oh, drip.
Oh my
Oh, I love that. I love
Get the low angle. Get the low angle. Get the low angle.
Oh, there we go.
Oh come on! Come on!
I thought it was just chicken. Yeah, but that's what you mean.
What is it? What is it?
Thank you, Timmy.
What is that?
Oh shit.
It's a milk. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, I love castaway! Oh, I love that! Wait. Another one!
That's my doctor right there.
Another one! Oh, thank you! I got some your prescription pads. They're chickens! Do I get to keep the bag? Do you know who got me?
The beer is it's unfiltered, so it doesn't go through this whole process of adding a little sugar.
Oh, thank you! I really like them!
No,
It just went and
it's a recyclable bag, so I was gonna have to find it.
No, I love it, thank you. Did you know that I was just going to be taken to the hospital? Like, you know, I'm like,
Yeah, buddy.
Oh yeah. Dude, try some of this, bro. I got it recently. Yeah. Tesco. No, step bro.
Jen, do you like it?
Nice present. What's his name again?
Is it a girl? I thought it's a girl, right?
Are you searching it up?
Huh?
That is so cute. Oh. Wait, we got more? Wait. We're given a little toy. And we got Spidey. We got Peach, or Peaches.
Did you already do Spider-Man?
Yeah. He's already made an appearance. And we got this guy.